welcome to the channel. If you hear that kind of noise, it's because my kitty cat is literally right here in this like little pink tunnel that I got her for Christmas, and who would have known? This is like her favoriteest toy ever. Anyways, hi, welcome to Queen Talk A Lot's channel. Today we are unboxing our Eyescream Beauty bag and box subscription. Honestly, I'm not for sure for what month. I don't think I received it in PR for December. Could be wrong on that. Would not be the first time that I was wrong on something. This could be January. I don't know. It's going to be a surprise. All I did was open the box that it was shipped in. I just received it today, which today is the 16th of January. So let's go ahead and unbox it. If you're new to the channel, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we just unbox, chat, have a good fun time, you know. So there she goes. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the Eyescream Beauty box bag. Now, both of these are a monthly subscription. They are extremely makeup heavy, so if you are trying to grow your makeup collection, this is a great subscription to look into. On top of that, they did give us a coupon code. It's not an affiliate code, but code Hotmess will save you 10% off, and I do believe it works on both, either the box, which is $25, or the bag, which I think is like $12.50 or $13. So the first, oh my gosh. Okay, so right off the bat, this is not typical for the bag, but we got an Ace Beauty palette. This is the Paradise Falling palette, which I want to say I may already have this in my collection. So if that's the case, I'm going to set it aside, but I do want to look. Yes, I know I have this. It's so beautiful. It's so funny. I remember when it released with Ace Beauty or Ace Beauty, I just thought how gorgeous these shades are. I love that chocolatey color and the shifty color. Absolutely stunning. She's walking through my little setup here. If the light changes, y'all, it's because I use natural lighting in here, so just FYI. And I'm not gonna do about it, so calm down. We're not here to be professional. We're here to have a good fun time and chit chat with each other. All right, next in here, I don't know what this is, but it's super pretty. Check out all that little pink sparkle. Love it, a sparkle. She likes to check everything out and approve it or disapprove it. It's by Oakland. Y'all, they're calling for more snow next week. Only if it's good enough that I can still drive in it and make it to the ski lodge. That's it. It's the only time I'm gonna be okay with it, because there's nothing like nice fresh snow to ski in. My boy and I have been going skiing once a week, and it's been a good fun time. Heck of a mother trucking workout, but it's been a good fun time. It's in the shade Naked, and ooh, that's pretty. It's sparkly. Let's watch it. Oh my gosh, I flippin' love that shade. All right, next in here, this is a really good bag. So this is the January Happy New Year bag. So let me go over this real quick. This is worth $35. Again, this bag is like 13 bucks. This is a good deal. Then we got the little Oakland lipstick, which is beautiful and matches perfectly with that palette. Next, we've got two more palettes. These are by Illuminati Cosmetics. Now, I'll be 100 with y'all. In the past, I've received these little palettes, these little quads, and I wasn't a fan of the formula. I felt the formula was really hard. Yeah, it's not the best formula. Like this one, I couldn't even get a swatch of it. This shade right here. So not the best formula, still not going to be my favorite. But I do like the colors of this. Maybe this will swatch a little bit better. But honestly, just with these two products here, this is really good, because we know Ace Beauty's quality is good. If you don't know, it's good. All right, that one actually swatches better. All right, this whole quad completely swatched better than the other one. Yeah, right down to the quick little swatch. Hands down, that is so much better than the purple one. That's good. And I do like those shades. Those are fun. All right, so these each have a $20 retail value. I'll stand on the fact that I've always said I've never thought that these are worth the $20. And I'm going to say $20 together, even if it's $10. I wouldn't buy them for $10. Yeah, I just wouldn't. But the Ace Beauté and the Oakland Cosmetics lipstick, which is a $5 retail value, these are good. I do like those. All right, let's move into the Ice Cream Beauty Box subscription, which is $25 unless you use code HOTMESS, which is a one-time use. And so I guess this is definitely the January. So yeah, January, so it begins, and we've got our little card in here letting us know the retail value of everything. Ice Cream Beauty Box packaging, top notch, never an issue. Now, fun little fact, with their subscription box, you are guaranteed to always get an eyeshadow palette. I don't believe that's the case for the bag. You typically get, like, I think it's 3 to 5 products in the bag, but the subscription, you're always, girl, getting a little crazy. You're always guaranteed an eyeshadow palette in here, which I love. The first item is the Charmacy Milano brand. Ooh, this is pretty. I just love the component on its own. Isn't that so gorgeous? Oh, you can tell she's a shifty shade, which I don't think the camera will pick up. Oh God, that feels nice. Oh, stunning. The shift is insane, guys. I don't think the camera really does it justice, but can you guys tell the oh, that is so good. Oh, that's so good. It's her world, and we're just lucky to be in it. I always say when we get this brand in our box, it reminds me so much of Pat McGrath, like the shift. All right, next in here we've got a lip cream by Creme de la Cube. Okay, this is actually cute to put on, like, aesthetically. I think it's really adorable. I like that. I don't smell anything. I've currently got actually Hotmess Momma and Mine But Better, I think is what it's called, from Ofra Cosmetics. It's Smitha Deepak. It's her new liquid lippy, and I mixed it with Hotmess Momma and Butterfly Kisses, and I love the combo. So I don't want to take off my lippy. If you guys are curious about my eyes, because I want a little colorful, I actually have Smitha's 2 of her shades on from her new signature palette called Boring, and the new Nomad Cosmetics palette. Code HOTMESS will save you 10% or 20% at Ofra and 10% over at Nomad. But this is really cute, and just to feel it and swatch it, it feels nice and nourishing and hydrating, so I'm happy with that. Next in here we've got the Halo Beauty by Medusa. There's no D. There is a D. Medusa makeup and Aura. She's been napping all day, and I was upstairs filming for my fashion channel, and she just laid there, and now she's like, I'm gonna get crazy. Ooh, this looks like it's gonna be really light. What are you doing? Oh, you're gonna lay by Mama? Okay, really light color. Oh, okay, I thought it was gonna be like insane. It's not. I kind of actually like that. I like the formula. It's not greasy. It's very candle lit, glow from within, not over the top stark. I don't know. I mean, that's more of something that I could see honestly kind of using on my eyelids on a no makeup kind of day. Next in here, oh, I forgot to give you guys prices. Very curious of this Charmacy, $25. The Medusa, $12. Then, oh, hi.
Hi.
How was class?
Very good. Did I scare you?
Yeah, that's okay.
Hi, the teacher.
Oh, and then this cream was for the lips $25, and then we've got the Sugar Daddy Medusa Lippy. Let's see. So here's a little component. Oh, I love this. I love this shade so much. This is a good one. It's like the perfect like nude shade. I like that a lot. We of course have an eyeshadow palette, and this is by the Just Desserts or Vampy Treat. I do believe you got to pick this, and it's by Ladybug Glow with a $39 retail value. Oh, I gotta hurry. My battery is going out and I don't have a backup. Oh, I love the greens. Honestly, this reminds me of very much like Halloween-y vibes, but it's very pretty. Like, I love this. Ooh, and that feels really nice. Just barely touching it. That is gorgeous. This is fun. I mean, you can mix custard with that as well. Very, very pretty. Okay, my overall thoughts. No, my battery's literally... My overall thoughts, I think everything was curated really nice. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. I'm curious as to what the other palette looked like. I am loving this, and I love the fact that the lipstick is a nude that will actually match this palette. It doesn't seem like it's off the wall kind of things. Like, everything is cohesive, which is something that I always love. But at the end of the day, bag versus box, I'm actually going to throw it to the bag this month. I think the bag was really good for the price, especially with an Ace Beauté palette. That's just really good, and I love that that lippy matched as well. Anyways, friends, my battery is flashing at me. I don't know how much time I have. If you're interested in signing up, make sure you use code HOTMESS. Thank you to Ice Cream Beauty Box for thinking of your girl and sending these over my way. Check me out on my other channels, TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye. I made it. I get so flipping nervous. So nervous. All right. Bye.
Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings